Children, how are you? I hope you all are fine, right? Myself Kavita Krishnani from New Era Global Kids. Now, start with prayer. Are you ready? Yes, very good. Now, let's start. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Now, start. Karagre vaste Lakshmi Karmadhye Saraswati Karmule tu Govinde Prabhate Kar Darshanam Karagre vaste Lakshmi Karmadhye Saraswati Karmule tu Govinde Prabhate Kar Darshanam Prabhate Kar Darshanam। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है हमारे उग्र भाग में माता लक्ष्मी का निवास है, मध्य भाग में माता सरस्वती का निवास है एंड अपने हमारे मूल भाग में गोविंदा मीन्स कृष्ण निवास करते। सो हमें प्रातः काल उठ के हमारे दोनों हाथ का अवलोकन करना चाहिए। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Now children, today I will teach you one activity. So you tell me which activity is this, okay? आपको मुझे बतानी है आज मैम कौन सी एक्टिविटी कर रही है। Which shape is this? This is a square, right? Now I will stick one circle. आपको बताना है मैम कौन सी एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं। Square, rectangle, circle, right? नाउ चिल्ड्रन, अब मुझे बताओगे आज हम कौन से टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं? आपको पता है हमको आज मैम कौन सा टॉपिक लेने वाले हैं? न्यू टॉपिक। आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट न्यू टॉपिक, बट विच टॉपिक? बॉडी पार्ट्स। वेरी गुड। विच टॉपिक इज दिस? बॉडी पार्ट्स। Friends, our body made up of different parts. Body made up of different parts. All each part are important for healthy living. हमारे बॉडी में कौन से पार्ट होते हैं? डिफरेंट पार्ट होते हैं, राइट? सो आई विल ड्रॉ eyes, nose, lips, now tell me children, what is this? This is a nose. What is this? This is a arm. What is this? This is a fingers. What is this? This is a leg. What is this? Hand. What is this? This is a foot. Okay. Now this is a, what is this? This is a ears. What is this? This is a head. And what is this? This is a hair. This is a eyes. This is our body parts. Okay, children? So, want to tell you one rhymes. Okay? Now, Bansi, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello children, I want to tell you one rhyme. So, if you want to listen, yes. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 10 little fingers, 10 little toes,
2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes that shine so bright. 2 little eyes that shine so bright. 2 little lips to kiss you good night. 2 little lips to kiss you good night.
Do you like my rhymes? Yes.
Now children, today I will discuss about body part. Friends, our body made up of different part. Our body made up of different part. हमारा body किससे बना हुआ है? Different parts से बना हुआ है, right? So all these parts are important for healthy living, right? हमारा body में जो हमारे जो different part है वो important for healthy living. Now I want to tell you about different parts of body. So children, which part is this? This is a nose. Which part is this? Nose. I have one nose. I have one nose. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. Now next. What is this? Eyes. These are my eyes. These are my eyes. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. These are my 2 eyes. I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. Leg. These are my 2 legs. These are my 2 legs. I can jump with my legs. I can dance with my legs. I can walk with my legs. Right? Hands. These are my 2 hands. Hand. These are my 2 hands. 5 finger in these hands and 5 finger this is hand. Total 10 finger. These are my hands. Ears. These are ears. My 2 ears. These are my 2 ears. I can listening with my ears. I can listening with my ears. Lips. Forehead. This is my hair. This is my hair. Now thumb. I have two thumbs. Now children, today's class for name of nose in notebook. आज से हमारी notebook start होने वाली है, okay? So I will draw now children. Which body part is this? Nose. I have one nose. Touch your nose children. Nose. I have. How many nose do you have? One. How many nose do you have? One. I have one nose. What do you do with your nose? आप nose से क्या करते हो? I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. So today I will get name of nose. What is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. You have to write only pink line, right? N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. I can smell with my nose. आप nose से क्या करते हो? Smell करते हो? I can smell with my nose. N-O-S-E. 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 Nose. This class was covered in notebook. So you have to write for CW and then date, right? Now children, take out a GK notebook, 4-line notebook. First I have to write body parts, class work and mention date, right? So first I have draw one nose. I have one nose. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. I have draw one middle line and then I will start spelling of nose. N-O-S-E. 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 Nose. Children, learn and write. And write in purple line. Okay? N-O-S-E. Nose. 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 N-O-S-E. knows. This is our classwork is done, and then next page same as classwork and mention date. Same here. And OSE knows and OSE knows. सेम आपको यही ऐसे ही करना है, जैसे आपने क्लास वर्क किया है वैसे ही आपको होमवर्क डन करना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन.